Okay, today's video is on how to make a tree using static grass but without the static grass applicator. That's how the tree ended up. So first of all, you just want to sprinkle the static grass onto a plastic tray and then get some wire and twist it up. Nice thin wire like shown there is best, and just make it into the shapes which you want your branches to roughly be. And you're gonna have to make, quite a few different shapes and sizes. And then the next, main important thing is the sponge, what you can put between your legs, and then a tray, the plastic tray that's got the grass on. So there is just coating the branch with a Mod Podge glue, and then you move the tray back and forward on the sponge and it picks up static, and then when you hover over, not touching it but just hover over it, you'll pick up some static grass like shown there, and you just have to repeat this step. They do sell an applicator but we don't have the applicator, so my wife found a way to get around it. So now you want to add a bit more Mod Podge onto that static grass and add some dry leaf like what was shown there, and then just set them out to dry. And that's some of them just drying out there. She also made some longer ones and cut them down. So then to fill out the main bulk of the tree on the static grass, well, first of all you want to add some more Mod Podge or hot glue and glue in your branches one at a time, and then just coat the static grass again with some Mod Podge lightly, and then you just pick up your green leaf again and sprinkle it over the top of the static grass, and now some will stick to the Mod Podge and it'll help fill the tree out. And then you pretty much repeat that process until in the end you end up with a nice tree like shown there. So thanks very much for watching, and please like and subscribe, and I'll put out another video as soon as possible. Thank you.